what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and to see how I installed this Freetress Beach curl, just keep on watching.
It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Take the position, I waste no time. Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Likkle party, make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Me not tell you say me fire can cool. Me not tell you say me nothing can do. Pon the vibes anybody can do. Pon the streets say me really can move. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can come near YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl.
It's your girl Alicia Jones, and in today's video, you guys literally just saw me install Freetress Beach curl. So I did this video about 6 years ago on my channel, but I did the two-tone color, so I was like T33 or something like that, T133. So I just did a photo shoot today, but I wanted to use a hair that did not let me down, you know. So I was like, what could it be? Would it be go-go curl, beach curl, presto curl? And I was like, beach curl. And I always said I wanted to try this hair in a color number 2 because the first time I tried it, it was that two-tone. And y'all know, if y'all been watching my channel for a while, y'all know the color crochet hair a little bit different than the plain crochet hair, like the color 1, color 2, 1B, 4. So I wanted to just see like what it would be like. So here we are with this. So 6 years later, baby. So I was like, when I first installed it, or when I first took it out the pack, I was like, this don't look like the beach curl. It don't look like it. It was not looking like it. And I was like, did they change the formula or something? But now that it's like installed, I can see it, but it still kind of look a little bit different to me. So I picked this hair up from my local beauty supply. This time a different one. I did purchase 5 packs. I only ended up using 4.5. So this is how much I have left of the 5th pack, and I literally only used like 2 strands from that 5th pack, right? So this is what the hair looks like fresh up out the pack, because I literally took 2 pieces out and then I just laid it to the side. You guys, when I tell y'all this was a freaking easy install, this install was so freaking easy, you guys. So I did my hair like last minute last night. I started at like 10:30 and I finished at midnight last night. I was tired this morning, but this is 18 inches in the color number 2, and the hair, for real, y'all, this hair was $7.99 a pack. So $30, a $40 hairstyle, basically $39, $39.95, that's $40. We gonna round it up. But yeah, so excuse me guys. So I've been wearing this hair in literally all day. It's about 2 something right now, and there has been a little bit of shedding, not much of tangles, but I was in the wind when I was taking my pictures. We did some shots outside and it did get a little frazzled out there, but this is what it looks like so far. Now I will be doing a review on this, and I kind of want to compare my review from last time to my review from this time. Now my review from last time, I probably wore that hair longer, but this one, y'all know, we only probably gonna do 2 weeks, maybe even less. It just depends on what comes our way. So yeah, you guys, if y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Again, I used 4.5 packs, $7.99 a pack. I bought 5, but I didn't even need that many. That's how great this hair was. Install was ridiculously easy. I probably, now some parts, like I didn't even need a mirror. I was just installing it. I was just using my fingertip as a guide. That's how easy this hair is to install. I was using my fingertip as a guide because I didn't feel like getting up to go get my mirror, so I literally was doing that. And yeah, I did the invisible part method. But you guys stay tuned for the review. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.